What's up, YouTube? It's your boy FCTHETRUTH, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I am testing out the Nikon Z30, and this is what it looks like on auto, straight out the box. All right, so what I'm about to show you is how it sounds with the Rode Wireless Go mic on top. So I got the one receiver clipped to the plugged into the camera, the other receiver obviously clipped to my shirt, and we're going to get into it. You're going to hear how that sounds, and I'm going to take the Rode Wireless mic off the camera, and then we're going to test out and compare what the internal microphone sounds like as well. So let's go. So I got the Rode Wireless Go, not the twos, the ones, and yeah, so that's what you're listening to. I got the mic right here, bang, and yeah, so it has a flip out screen. I'm kind of like trying to look at the lens and not the flip out screen, look at the lens. But yeah, just testing it out, quick test, putting it through its paces, nothing serious. I just want to see how like YouTube friendly it is, how content creator friendly this camera is. I'm in a super dark room. I just got like one light over here, and it's like 11 p.m. at night, so it's pretty late. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like without the Rode Wireless Go mic, so you can hear the regular audio coming from the camera. So let's check it out. All right, so this is how the camera sounds, just the audio with no mic plugged in. This is just the internal microphone. Let me know. I'm in a pretty quiet room, but it's not soundproof. So let me know what you guys think about the sound. From the YouTube videos I saw on this camera, the sound was pretty solid, especially for like, you know, like indoor recording, like if you're vlogging inside or you're doing like. All right, let's bust this Nikon Z30 open with the 16 to 50 mil kit lens. So let's go ahead, see what we got here. Okay. Bunch of instructions, manual, user manual. Who needs this? I don't need it. Yeah, no, I'm lying. I'm gonna look at it later. Got a USB to USB-C cable, lightning, and let's see. Okay, I'm assuming this is the lens, and I assume correctly. Let's see here. Bam. Sweet. Okay, put that aside. Comes with the strap, Nikon Z30 strap. Let's see what else is in here. You got the battery. You gotta have a battery, or nothing shall come on. So we got the battery. And this should be the body. So this is supposed to be like a vlogger camera. This is extremely lightweight. Extremely lightweight. First thing I noticed, you don't have the photographer viewfinder. Do have a flip out screen. Okay, articulating. Sweet. Let's check this out. So I like how they made everything super simple. Like the buttons and stuff, everything's really, they were really gearing this toward like user friendly. Like make this as simple as possible. You got the hot shoot, you can put a little mic. You got the mic input right here. So you can kind of like put a mic on here, one of those Rode video mics or whatever, or a Go wireless. Like right now, I'm actually speaking on a Go wireless mic, and you can mount that on here and clip the Rode Go onto your shirt. That would work. And you got your USB, and you got your HDMI. I feel like this is gonna come off, or I'm gonna tear it or rip it or something, but I'm probably not. I'm just... All right, so what I really love about this camera, I'll move my mic out the way so you can see it. Sorry. So what I really love about this camera is the fact that you can charge the battery via USB. So that's just insane to me. So you get this cable, it comes with the camera. So you get this cable, it comes with the camera. USB slot right here. Plug it in. And the only thing that you gotta make sure is that the camera is off. So as long as the camera is set to off, you are good to go, and you should see a light that lets you know it is charging. So it's plugged right into my laptop right here, my MacBook Air. So the MacBook is charging the camera. So this is great. This is great when you're, you know, maybe you lost your battery charger, or you just don't have it on you. You just need to quickly charge your battery in your Nikon camera. I would say it charges pretty fast. Not like insanely fast, but pretty fast. So you won't be down too long. So that's a good thing. And another thing that's really cool that I like about this camera is this, you know, where you mount it on your tripod, you can mount it on anything, but the cool aspect of this is the placement. They're really smart. This does not block battery compartment, the SD card compartment, so you don't have to see. On my Sony ZV-1, this actually blocks battery door, so it's literally like right here. So it gets kind of annoying because you can't go into the battery compartment while it's on a tripod, while it's on a selfie stick or nothing. This, you can have it on a selfie stick, drop the battery out, and put a new battery in and go back shooting. My Sony ZV-1, as much as I love my Sony ZV-1, it does block the battery compartment, so you can't just drop the battery on the fly. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's a very vlogger friendly camera, very social media type camera, and super lightweight. It has a battery in it, got the lens on it, it's still super light. It's small. I like the grip, you know, the grip is really good. Yeah, not many bad things I can say about this. I like how the kit lens isn't super crazy. It's going to draw a lot of attention. So you can take photos outside and not feel like you're causing a stir. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Just letting you guys know about as many features. This just straight out the box, first impressions. And I will be back with you guys later. Peace.